As an NGO, what do donors really look out for in your reports? Let's say you are an NGO that you've received some donor funding on a particular project, and now you are done executing that project. You need to present a report to the donor agency on how you use the funds that were given to you. Many people believe that donors are looking for long reports with technical jargons and colorful charts, but in reality, that is not what they are looking for. So now the question is, what exactly are the expectations in the reports that you are presenting to them? Hey, my name is Philemon and you are welcome to Skilled. On this platform, we give professional tips on anything related to data and analysis. Now, let's get back to it. What donors are asking for is pretty simple. Did you achieve what you promised? That's all. Donors want to know that the funds were responsibly used and that they were used for the purposes for which they were intended for, and that you achieved measurable or you produced measurable results. So this is a matter of producing a straightforward report, not really walking around, beating around the bush. These are some of the questions that you need to answer in your report. 1. What activities were completed? 2. What changes were made in the process of achieving those activities? 3. How many people benefited from the project? 4. Were there challenges? 5. If there were challenges, how did you address those challenges? And then 6. What lessons did you learn from this whole project? And so, most importantly, the report that you are giving them must be backed by data, proper evidence that is showing how the whole project was executed, not just assumptions, not just literature or theories that you are going to give. You need to ensure that the report that you are giving is backed by data, it is backed by evidence, pure evidence that it can show, not assumptions. And that is the only way they will be convinced to give you more funds to do what projects you intend to do. So let's look at this example. Instead of saying in your report that the project was successful, you can rather say that we trained 150 farmers across 5 communities. 3 months later, 118 had adopted at least 2 improved farming practices, representing a 79% adoption rate. Now, this example shows that you are actually presenting evidence, data, and it is not just you sharing your opinion or bringing up assumptions. It doesn't really matter. And these are the things you need to have in your report so that any donor would know that their funds that have been given to you have been used for the purpose for which it is intended and it is achieving results. In that way, they'll be able to help you with more funds. I mean, if you are looking for more funds and they can help you out on that. So the next time you are writing a report, just know that donors are looking for clarity. They are looking for accountability. Donors are looking for measurable results and clear and credible evidence showing how the funds were used, and not necessarily complexity. Do not complicate matter. Just go straight to the point and you are good to go. If you need any help instruction any aspect of a report, do not forget to get in touch with us. Follow us for more practical tips on anything related to data analysis, monitoring, evaluation, project management, and reporting. Peace out.